Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video, once again we will talk about GCRIG platform. In last video I give you a complete review of this platform, a complete overview step by step how to start with this platform, how to transfer money internationally, even how to invest in here. So inside this video, completely we will talk about how to purchase the plot, whether you want to go with a starter, you want to go with other a package. Later on I will show you inside this video. I will show you how to deposit, how to purchase any package. Each and everything gonna be covered inside this video. This is a platform like you can send and transfer money globally over the world. Even you can transfer cryptocurrency. Somehow it sounds good. So watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Crystal Project, Pi Network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So welcome to GCRIG website. This is the official website. I will give the link below in description. If you want to check the website, if you want to know more about this platform, make sure to check each and everything because you have a menu section. Inside the menu section, you will have all the information regarding this platform. Okay, although in last video I already mentioned everything, but inside this video we will just talk about the dashboard. We will talk about the deposit. We will talk about the package, CRB, how to purchase the CRB. We have different CRB in here. You can see there are four packages. The first one is starter, advanced, rock input, and then this is the rock input tattoo. So you can see the amount. This is the amount range. And the ROI, this is the profit and the duration and the capital back. Okay, so if I show you the dashboard, here you can see this is the dashboard. My wallet balance is $547. And then you can see all the recent transaction for the currency converter. Okay, so first of all, if I show you how to deposit in here. So I'm going to deposit $500. So and then I'm going to invest $1,000 in the starter package. So for that, simply, first of all, if you don't have account, the link is in the description. Make sure click on the link, create account. Once you create account, and then follow this step. So simply click on add cash. Once you click in here, so select payment method. I want to go with USDT TRC20. So in here, I want to deposit 500. So this is my wallet address. Now, simply I will go to my Bitget account, or you can go in any account, whether you want to go to wallet, centralized exchange, up to you. Simply transfer the exact amount of 500 to this wallet address. The network should be TRC20, and this is your wallet address. So once you send everything, simply click on proceed to the payment. So in here you can see 500 deposit pending. So once I complete the deposit from my Bitget exchange, so and then you can see this will be confirmed. So just you need to wait for a while. Once your deposit arrive, automatically it will be confirmed, and then you can invest, you can purchase the package. So okay, finally here you can see I just received the 500. Now my balance is 1047. So okay, about depositing amount, if you have any confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So once you get your deposit, now simply go to CRB. From here, I just want to go with starter input because starter input, the minimum is 500. Advance, the minimum is 3500. So now simply click on view plot, click on this. Okay, now in here, I just want to go with the first one, starter input, CRB. So from here, I want to input 1000. Okay. So funding, because my all balance is on the funding. So select funding. If your balance is on the export, select export. Okay. Now click on proceed. Although you can see all the details. Input return is 1.6% daily. Duration 5 times. Capital back. Yes, it means that you will get your capital and then you will get your profit. So now click on proceed. So here you can see, finally, I just purchased the starter input CRB. This is the timeline, status ongoing. This is the second, rate remaining 5 times, progress 0%. So this is how you can purchase the starter package, and this is how you can earn money. One thing I should show you, if you check the Instagram account. So inside Instagram account, 156,000 followers. And then in here you can see, you will get lots of information about GCRIG. This is all the platform. You can check the post. Here you can see all the comment section. Even you can check the Twitter if I show you. Here is the X account. The X account is active since 2012. It means that this platform, the team members are active from 2012. This is one of the best project. The old project is still running in here. You can check the post, you can check everything. Even you can see the comment section, what people are talking about this. And then if I go back, you can see the next one. This is how you can get everything inside the social media, all the update inside the social media. Make sure to follow the X account, make sure to follow the Instagram account. Okay, now going back in here, just Rick, let me show you one thing. Even you can watch the video. The video is available under the product CRB network. So this is a video. If you want to watch the video, if you want to know, so simply make sure to watch it yourself, because everything, even I can say all the detail available inside this video, how it works, whatever you will get in this video. So make sure watch the video yourself, because this is about 9 minutes. It will help you more about this platform. So going back in here, you can see. So finally, it means that easily I just deposit the amount in here. Easily I just purchase the starter in here. If you have any confusion, any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So this is all about how to deposit, how to purchase the package. In next video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your profit, how to withdraw your balance back to your account. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Okay, now goodbye. See you.